Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, from my viewers, wherever that you are listening to us from. A very big greeting to you people and all my friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment in this video. Today we are going to create amazing AI images, such as there's a cooking atom, and then or a Guinea World Records attempt in Ghana. So we are going to design a cake to congratulate the one attempting to break the Guinness World Record. So you search for Beam Image Creator on your Google or any browser of your choice. Then click Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. You click on it. Wait for some second. It will come here. Me, I've already signed in. That is why it has come this way. So you a first time, you need to sign in with your email account. So we have reached here. You have to write what you want to do. Like I have told you before, I said we are going to congratulate her for reaching 86 hours non-stop for cooking. So she's trying to break Guinea World Records. So we are going to design a cake for her. So we are going to write our prompt. This is how our prompt is. This is how our prompt is. So let's read the prompt. Congratulations, 86 hours, CookAthon Guinea World Records, the red velvet 3 layers cake look like Guinea World Record, and the name Chef Falela, Chef Falela is written on it. 3D realistic and shiny glass effect with black gradient background. Also add kitchen staff in the background. So let's click on create and see the images that the AI will provide to us. So now we are going to click on create and wait for some seconds. So it is generating the images. So it is generating the images. So wait for some seconds. It is generating the images for us. So this is our prompt, and this is the generator trying to generate the images for us. So you wait for some second. So every images created is 1 point. So every day, the Microsoft Beam give you 15 points for a day. So if you use all the 15 points, you have to wait for another day. I'll wait some. This is amazing. So the AI has created a cake for her, Chef Falela Guinness World Record. Amazing. So I'm doing this one for Falela for her amazing, and then cooking for non-stop for 3 days, 4 days, for 4 days now. Today is the fourth day. So amazing. So you look through and pick the one that fit her, and you do it, and pick the one that fit her and you do it. So thank you for watching our video. This is what we are going to do. We have tried to do for her. Congratulations. You see here the code record. So you look through, we'll get the correct one that I want. All of them, some are correct, some are not correct. So you try several times, you get the actual one that you need. You try several times, you get the actual one that you need. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, share, comment on this video. You are welcome.
That's all for today's video about this trending AI video editing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on tech reviews and other contents. See ya!